I'm Debbie Bell Hosking for FinextraTV at the SBS Summit 25 in Paris, and I'm joined by Alun Williams, CEO, Swansea Building Society. Alun, a big welcome here to our pop-up studio at the SBS Summit.
Thank you.
Be no surprise to you because you will have read in that the theme at this year's summit is Go Digital, Stay Human. And of course that touches perhaps on one of the biggest challenges in financial services at the moment, which is mastering customer knowledge to deliver fully personalized experiences. Now, touching on experiences, you yourself have been CEO of Swansea Building Society for 24 and a half years. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I understand you are the longest running CEO in the building society sector in the UK.
That's right, yes.
So, with that in mind, how does this theme of Go Digital, Stay Human, how does it speak to you in terms of your experience and also the organisation?
So basically, I've grown up in a branch environment, so we've always treated the branch as the main centre of activity for customers. But I think particularly from the COVID crisis onwards, it was apparent that customers needed better access to their information with the society, their ability to see their balances, to transfer between accounts, and also to make payments back and forth to their own bank account. So it's been a really important transformation for us to launch the digital app on mobile devices.
What does that phrase "stay human" mean to you as well?
The stay human thing is really what we're saying to our customers is you choose which channel suits you best. So we're still keeping branches open. In fact, we're opening new branches in 2026, but we're also augmenting that with the digital environment and let the customer choose rather than force them down a channel of our choice. The customer can decide which way it's best for them to interact with Swansea Building Society.
And interesting to hear that because we're talking about that personalised experience as well. So SBS Summit, where we are today, what are you hoping to take away from the event?
I think really technology is moving so quickly and it's meeting colleagues within the building society sector, but also from SBS, who are our partners on our digital journey, and to find out what's coming up in the future and what we could benefit from their experience and what other products they may have that would benefit us and ultimately our customers.
When you mentioned earlier the mobile app, and in fact, Swansea Building Society is the first building society in Wales to deliver a mobile app. So can I ask you what advancements you're seeing in the industry as a whole?
Yes, we were targeting delivering the app as soon as we possibly could for the benefit of our customers. I've got two sons of my own who are 24 and 28, and in their world, if it isn't on their telephone, it doesn't exist. So me handing them a passbook from a building society like Swansea is something they'd look at, put in a drawer and probably never take out again. But of course, if it's on their phone, they can access it and see for themselves, which is attractive to them. But again, it's really giving our customers what they want when they want it.
Partnerships and collaboration.
Yep.
It's not a new phrase, it's something we've been hearing for some time. But if we can talk about your own partnership, but also how you're seeing this move to adapt to the future.
Yeah, I mean, we've had a relationship with SBS probably going back as far as 1988, and in fact the account manager that we've been dealing with I think first came to Swansea in 1997, even before I joined. So we operate a relationship banking business model where we allocate managers to look after customers and hold their hand through the onboarding journey for mortgages and also savings, and I think that's the relationship we've enjoyed with SBS really. It's about people, and we're quite a loyal organisation. If something isn't broken, we don't try and fix it. So we're very comfortable with the people in SBS and we're very comfortable with the business that we do with them.
Well, thank you, Alun. And touching on that word relationships, there's a lovely buzz behind us today, in fact, as the event is ongoing, as those relationships are growing. So thank you so much for joining us.
No problem. Thank you.